up, guys? My name is Kevin with Broadway Customs, and right now we're doing some fine detail work on a 1968 CT90. And Voltron over here is putting the rear wheel in for me, and hopefully we can get this thing done. We just got the motor back from Vapor Blast at Wells Moto. Those guys did a great job. We got it all together, new bearings, new seals, and gaskets. So slowly but surely, this thing's going to go back together and go off to the customer here pretty soon. What's up, guys? My name is Kevin. I'm here at Broadway Customs in Inglewood, Colorado, and today I'm going to tell you about our most recent project, 1968 CT90. So this guy came in, had sat for 20 years, was a family member's and meant a lot to this guy, and said, can you bring it back to life? So it got new tires, everything got polished, all the paint. This is the original single-stage paint from 1968. As far as we know, it's all original. We had to replace a few small plastic parts. On the tail light lens, we repainted a couple small parts. But we left the body in its original state. We just polished everything. Rebuilt the motor, new gaskets, new seals, new bearings. Vapor honed everything from Wells Moto, also here in Inglewood, Colorado. And then slowly but surely put it all back together. Runs, steers, and stops great, and yeah, it looks great compared to how it came in. And you figure it's an original 1968, man. I couldn't be happier. So yeah, stuff like this, service maintenance on most makes and models, and a full custom shop in the back is what we do here. If you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe at the bottom, and stay tuned for what we do next. Thanks.